Hi everyone. Today let's talk about digitising your vinyl record collection. You may have a turntable, an amplifier, and you can connect to your computer via the out or auxiliary out. What if your computer doesn't have a sound input? Okay, what you need to do, you can actually get, I believe, a USB sound in and USB out. So what happens if you haven't got a turntable and an amplifier? Well, you can get a USB turntable. They do make those. They are a reasonable price. Most of them are made of plastic and they work, but why pay money for those? Get yourself a turntable, a good turntable. You can pick these up for a song now. And obviously you don't have an amplifier, so you can't connect this to a computer in any way or form. So what you need is a RIAA Preamp. Now this equalises the phono output from your turntable, because you just can't plug a phono turntable in to an amplifier or a computer. Now with the RIAA Preamp, you can then feed that into sound input of the computer. Sound in. If your computer doesn't have a sound input, you may want to transfer files to your phone or your iPad or whatever. Again, I believe you can use a USB, a phono to USB, or sound input I should say, to USB device. Or I believe these days you can get a Bluetooth. Where you feed the sound in and you can go via Bluetooth. Myself personally, what I do, I have a turntable. I use the RIAA Preamp and I feed that sound straight into my computer, because I do have a sound input. And the software I use, a program which is completely free, and it's called Audacity. It's completely free. The other trick that I do, I set my turntable to 45 and play my 33 at 45 speed. And with the software, the Audacity software, you can convert it the speed back to 33. So obviously it saves time digitising your 33 albums. I hope that was a reasonable explanation. As far as the amplifier goes, this is one that I built. Let me zoom in. This one uses a IC. That is a 5532 dual op amp. Also I have another one. This is a transistor version using very common transistors like the 2N3904. These work in exactly the same way, exactly the same. I myself at the moment I'm using the transistor one. For no particular reason really, they both work equally as well. So let me show you the circuits. Here, let me zoom back out. This is the circuit of the transistor one, and I'm not sure if you notice here these components are the equalization components. So this is the version I'm actually using now. But also I have this version. Now this, I can't get all that on the screen. Let me zoom out. This is the IC version. So it's your choice what you want to build. This is a fairly short video, but there are, I'm sure, a number of people that want to digitise their vinyls. I myself have digitised some of my favourite albums, put onto a memory stick and use it in the car. Also I have a network drive, and I think I've digitised just about all of my albums onto the NAS drive. So the NAS drive connected to the network, obviously I can access my albums in any part of the house via the network, so it's very convenient. So if you want to build any of these, copy the circuits. I'll put both these circuits at the end of the video, as they're not particularly clear at the moment, but as I say, they work well. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this has been useful. Please subscribe to the channel as it really helps, and obviously click the like button because that really helps the channel as well, and it's all completely free, doesn't cost you anything, so please do that for me, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.